hard to believe. It's been a full year. I stopped coming to this side, and what do you know? Here are the goats. Can you see them all? Starting from there, all the way to there. Just packed. Let's go get a closer look. Dude, that many of anything is bad news in a proximity like this. Are you kidding? Are you freaking kidding? What's really scary, you have to multiply how many goats you see right here and now by the number of outfits doing this now, because it's very popular. You know, people are just eating it up without question. I don't know what they see or heard. They're moving on. Actually gives you a better sense of how many there are. If I chop to the line right there, that's more wildlife that are in this entire area habitat that's about to be destroyed. Look at the incredible morality of the fence line. See that big open field? I just filmed it actually a moment ago, how it's 100% the same invasives that it's always been, but they are actually forcing the goats to focus on the creek. The poor creek that needs desperately to be protected from the goats. Instead, the goats are in the creek while the field full of invasives is protected from the goats. Take a look at the fence on the other side. So that already shows if they're planning on forcing the goats into the creek. So they are fenced into the creek on this side and the creek on this side. Oh, and look what the goats are allowed to have. Let's truck in water for the goats. Livestock. We always have water for livestock, but the wildlife here haven't had water since maybe late March. I mean, this is so many goats in one spot. How? What do you think becomes of these goats? What kind of a happy ending do you think these goats have? They're just getting fattened on the taxpayer's dollar before getting sent to slaughter.